Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a huge Ulta haul, and it's actually collective too. I've been having this stuff piled in the corner of my room for a while now, but I did get some new things that I never tried out before and some repurchases that I absolutely love using. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. Ulta gave me a box at least with one of their packages because I did order from them twice, but it's okay. All the goodies are in here. I really want to start trying new makeup products on my eyebrows, so I decided to pick up the Revolution Soap Styler for laminate, fluffy, natural soap brows, and this is what it looks like with the packaging. I really love how it looks. When you open it, it's just going to look like this, and oh, I already got fingerprints on it. This actually comes with a mirror, the soap part, and it does come with this little spool. It's not even a spool, it's for your eyebrows, like an eyebrow brush. Dampen the applicator, then swipe across soap gently. So I'm supposed to spray this a little bit, do that, then comb upwards. I'm thinking I want to do a full review on this, especially because I do have really thick eyebrows and I want to see how long they will last and just see how they work with eyebrows like mine. I can't wait to use this. Just made a sound. Okay, so I accidentally scratched the inside and it just made a sound that gave me chills. I can't stand certain sounds when I scratch something. Then I decided to repurchase the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and they have a matte one, which is this one, and they have a normal one. See, I remember reviewing this, well, their Photo Focus Foundation like 5 years ago, and I honestly loved it, but I decided to repurchase it again. I think the other one that I had was getting expired. I don't even know why I threw it out. But I really want to try this again. I want to see if it still smells the same. Let's see. Honestly don't remember. I have perfume on, so it's kind of mixing in with the scent. I think the other one that I have was like a normal kind, not just with a matte finish, but I did get this in the shade Desert Beige. So hopefully this matches me decently. We're gonna have to see with this. Then I decided to try the Duo Brow Definer by Revolution. It's in the shade Dark Brown. I think I tried this a few times already, but I'm not remembering how it works. Maybe I tried it like a month ago or 2 months ago. Fully side. This is how the other side looks. I'm not sure if they have black, but I think dark brown was the only option that they have for like really dark brows. Okay, let's see if I do that. Does that? This is how it looks. It looks more like more of a natural type of color. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this yet. Might want to do a review on this too. And I've always been hearing about this Essence Lash Princess mascara. I finally hopped on the trend to try this mascara out, and I did use it on my eyelashes today, but you can't see them because I am wearing falsies. But the applicator on this is really nice actually. I should have got the waterproof one, but this one is like the most popular one. This was only like $4 or $5 anyway, and the brow product was like $7, and the brow wax was like $8, and this foundation was like $6. I forgot to mention the prices to you guys. If I remember, I'll try naming the prices, but everything I'll be mentioning in this video will be listed down below anyway. I do make commission from my links and doesn't affect you guys at all with the price or nothing like that. So if you guys want to support my channel and like shop on Ulta to try out some of the things that I mentioned, the links for everything will be down below. So far with this mascara, it does hold up my lashes pretty well, and I have no complaints with this one, so I actually really like it. Then next, I really want to try out a new black eyeliner because the other one that I have, it was gifted to me, and I don't think she has her website anymore. I decided to get a new liquid eyeliner, and it's from NYX. It's their Epic ink liner, and it is waterproof. I did put it right here in the inner corner, and it seems to be working pretty well. So let me actually open this up again. I did get this in black. I love using black eyeliner, and I need to start practicing my wing eyeliner. I have not done a wing eyeliner in years, maybe 2 years or something like that, because it's been a hot minute. And I think I'll be just fine doing a wing eyeliner, but I don't know, I just get kind of nervous when doing it. Like, I hate messing up. I'm gonna start practicing, especially for these upcoming makeup tutorials. That's why I got a lot of new makeup, so I can do more makeup tutorials for you guys. But this is how the brush looks on it. It's actually really thin, so it's good at getting in the inner corner right here and making a wing. Yeah, I'm super excited to use this one. I believe this was only $9 or $10. That's not a bad price at all for a really good waterproof liquid eyeliner. Then I decided to re-up on my NYX Lift and Snatch black brow tint pen, and I love this so much. This is how it looks with the tip on it. I love this thin tip. It reminds me of their liquid eyeliner, but I feel like this has like more of a light pointed tips. I had to get it in the darkest color that they have, which is black, and I think I want to try a dark brown next time. So with some of these products, I just realized that I did get some from Amazon, but you can always get them at Ulta too. And I be forgetting that with Ulta you get your points, and once you get enough points you get money off. Did get this from Amazon. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick Blush, and I have this on my Amazon storefront in the beauty makeup portion of my storefront, but you can get this on Ulta too, so I'm just kind of like putting everything together. Hope you guys don't mind that. I heard this is a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury liquid blush, and I need to try it for myself still, but this is in the shade Peach Bum. This is a really pretty balm blush, and actually I want to swatch this for you guys because I'm very curious on how this looks. Like, is it really a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury? Ooh, it has like a nice highlight to it too. This is actually really pretty, and this may be buildable too. It's only like $4 or $5 for this. I decided to pick up this lash comb from Amazon. This is how it looks, and all it does is comb the lashes like that. And I'm actually planning to do a lash video for you guys really soon. I do have a plastic one, but it doesn't get in there, while this one has like metal teeth, so it's gonna work way better. I did pick up some lip liners, and lip liners are my favorite. I don't have the biggest juiciest lips, but lip liners will be your best friend. The first one I'm gonna show you guys, this one is, oh, this is another re-up of the brown lip liner by NYX, and I actually have it on my lips right here. And I have two from LA Girl. They have one of the best affordable lip liners, just like NYX. LA Girl is second to me. Sometimes like it's in the between, but LA Girl really does have nice affordable lip liners. And this one is the Perfect Precision lip liner in the shade Blushing, and I had to get this pretty blush color. So let me actually swatch it. Ooh, this is nice. This is so nice. I don't think I have anything like this. You can also mix lip liners together and just make your own color. So I can definitely mix this in with a brown to get a nice brown blush color, but this is really pretty. And I heard about this shade named Chocolate from LA Girl, and I think this is a dupe for one of the MAC lipsticks. I'm not sure which one, but this one is so pretty. It's a perfect brown chocolate color, and it's not too dark either. It kind of matches with brown, but this one gives more of a chocolate Like this one kind of has like a red undertone in a way, like a slight red undertone, and this one has like a perfect chocolate brown color. Actually, let me swatch both of these because I'm very curious and I do not feel like getting up for the old one. See how this one swatches? Yup, I was right. It has like a kind of like a red undertone to it in a way. But they do look very similar, but see these two right here? The top one right here, ignoring this one, is the chocolate, and this one right here is the brown. So Anastasia Beverly Hills had a sale for their brow pomades for only $10. Usually they're 26 or 21, somewhere around there in the 20s, and I got this for 10. I should have got this in the shade dark brown because I never tried dark brown, or no, not dark brown. What's that other color? Ebony. I should have tried ebony with this one. I had got this in the shade granite, and I did use this a few weeks ago, and I should have just, it's not like I'm not liking it, but when it's fresh like this, it kind of looks too dark for me when I first used this, so that's why I should have went with ebony instead of granite. So next I decided to pick up some skincare goodies. It's always nice to get some skincare, especially for this fall and winter. We really need to take care of our skin. Still wear sunscreen, and that's a reminder for me when I'm editing because I need to start wearing sunscreen more often. Like, yeah, I may not go outside, but I need to get into the habit of wearing sunscreen regardless. I didn't get sunscreen in this video, I just have to mention that, but I did pick up the Ordinary glycolic acid 7%, and it's a toning solution, and I've been using this maybe since last year for my skincare, and my skin loves it. It does come with this, but I'm gonna stop using this because I actually put it in a container now, and that actually kind of spills every time I use it, so that's why I started putting it in a container. This is how it looks, and I only use it once or twice a day. You don't want to use too much, especially right here underneath your eyes. Actually, you don't want to use it underneath your eyes. And I decided to pick up some Mighty patches. This is the duo kind, and I believe this was only $6. I didn't realize that I got this many and it was like this small, but it does come with 12, half of the original for night and the other half for the invisible for the daytime. These help so well whenever I get a huge pimple right here, or sometimes on my forehead or on my chin. Like, these are the best. But actually, I never tried the Invisible Plus kind, but I have always tried the original kind. It works best for me. It helps shield the skin from popping and picking. Visibly shows it's working. That's my favorite part as well. It works on all skin types. Let me show you guys the difference between these two. Then I decided to pick up the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion that is ultra lightweight, and I do have the up and up version of it, but I really want to try the original version of the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion. I do have the AM one. I'm not really a huge fan of it because I like using my own type of sunscreen, but this actually works really good on me. Oil free with 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, moisturizes throughout the night and helps restore the protective skin barrier. To pick up the Earth Therapeutics Collagen Hydrogel Under Eye Patch, and it says it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I don't really have any fine lines, but I do get dark circles, especially as I'm getting older. They're getting a little bit darker, so I'm like, okay, you need some more love. So this has collagen, rejuvenates, revitalizes, and increases skin elasticity. Has green tea, helps the aging and damaging effects of free radicals, aloe vera, cucumber, chamomile, and it comes with 5 pairs, and I believe this was only $8. I feel like it was a really good deal, and I did try Earth Therapeutics before and their eye patches before, and they didn't fail me, so I had to pick these up again. It's kind of a re-up in a way. Last time I tried them was like 2 years ago, but I had to get these ones. I do have some Korean under eye patches, but I had them for 2 years and I'm not sure if they're still gonna work the same. So that's another reason why I had to pick those up. Then the last thing I had to re-up on and that I got is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. And this helps with my acne so much. It is a little bit pricey, but it lasts me a very long time. Really good for acne prone skin. And it's gentle on the skin and it doesn't clog my pores. This reduces the appearance of post-acne marks and pores, and that's what I struggle with like crazy right here. Literally right here, and it's so annoying. It didn't get like that until maybe when I turned 18 or 19, maybe 20, but I miss the acne that I used to have. It was barely any, and I used to freak out over the little ones, but no, these ones right here are the worst. I know people have it worse, but for me, I'm just over it. So that is all that I got from Ulta. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below. And let me know what you guys are planning to get from Ulta. If you guys need a re-up on anything, or if you wanted to try out some new products, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.